In this tutorial, you will learn how to run a TML project. You will see the automated documentation, automated Docker container, and automated GitHub logs being generated in a few minutes. By learning how to run TML projects, you can build thousands of real-time TML solutions for the enterprise with no code. By having proper documentation for each TML solution, with a Docker container and GitHub logs, TML solutions are truly enterprise-ready for global deployments with strict alignment to compliance and governance in any organization. To run your TML project, you must find and run the solution processing DAG in the DAG screen for your project. A solution template is like the recipe book for your TML solution. It contains all of the 10 TML DAGs. A solution template has a specific naming convention. It starts with the name Solution Preprocessing DAG. If you do not see AI or ML in the name, then this is just processing data using a local file. If you see AI or ML, then it is using AI and ML in addition to the processing. Your solution DAG will also contain your project name. So, this solution DAG, Solution Preprocessing DAG My Awesome TML Solution 3F10, is just doing processing under the project name My Awesome TML Solution 3F10. Here is another solution DAG. This solution DAG, Solution Preprocessing DAG, AI gRPC, My Awesome TML Solution 3F10, is doing processing and AI using gRPC to ingest the data under the project name My Awesome TML Solution 3F10. Here is another solution DAG. This solution DAG, Solution Preprocessing DAG ML, AI, My Awesome TML Solution 3F10, is doing processing, ML, and AI using a local file to ingest the data under the project name My Awesome TML Solution 3F10. Note, if a DAG does not have gRPC, MQTT, or REST, then it defaults to local file. More details on the solution templates can be found on the TML Read the Doc site in the Solution Template section. Now, we are ready to run the TML solution. To run the solution DAG, go to the DAG screen in the TSS and select the solution DAG you want to run. Click it. You will now be in the execution screen of Apache Airflow. Click the play button to trigger the solution DAG run, and then sit back and wait for your TML solution to be created. Your TML solution is now being created. You will see green lights turning on for each TML solution tasks. Note the tasks on the left side of the screen. These are like the recipe items in your TML solution cake. Once all of the lights are dark green, your solution has been successfully created. Congratulations! You just created a real-time TML solution in a few minutes. You can see lots of other information in the execution screen by clicking the menu items. Your solution has successfully completed because all of the lights are green. Now, let's go to Read the Docs to get the document URL for your TML solution. In Read the Docs, find your TML project name. In our example, it is My Awesome TML Solution 3F10. Click the project. Then scroll down to find the URL for your documentation and click the URL. There is your solution documentation that was automatically created by TSS and built by Read the Docs. Isn't that cool? In your solution documentation, you can check the latest build logs. Now, go into operating details to get the link for your real-time dashboard. You can see the GitHub log commits. Click the TSS dashboard URL and run your real-time dashboard. You can also see the TML binary logs running in your TML solution container. Now, click the link to your Docker container. Your TML solution container was automatically built and pushed to Docker Hub by TSS. Now that you have your TML solution running in a container, You can easily scale your TML solution with Kubernetes. You are also provided with the Docker run command for your TML solution container. Your documentation also includes all the parameters you selected in your individual TML DAGs. There you have it. Building real-time solutions with the TSS and TML has never been easier. Using no code, you built a powerful, scalable, real-time solution with proper documentation, GitHub logs, Docker container, with real-time dashboard in less than 5 minutes. Welcome to the world of TSS and TML.